Hello my loves, today is a beautiful day and I've decided to do my hair. So I did the normal braiding on my natural hair, just my natural hair, then so that it can be easy for me to add the braids on top. Okay, and it helped me also to organize my braids in a nice box shape. Yes, so it was not easy, it was really hard, but I did my best. So when you braid your own hair first, it will be very easy rather than just braiding your hair direct with the braids. Okay, so this is how I do it, and I can't believe I finished. So let me show you a detailed one. Okay, and as you can see, my braids from the start, they are a bit tighter, and as I'm going to the end, they are getting looser. You see, they are a bit loose. So this is how I do it. So let me remove it and show you. So that is my normal hair, my natural hair braid. I crochet. I crochet like that. That's one. Then I go back, take another one. I crochet so that I can make at least 3 strands. Yes. Put your crochet in, hook there, then pull it. Like that. Then you hold them into 3 strands. Okay, then you make it like rope. Braiding is done like the way you make the rope. Okay, yes. So I don't know even how I've explained this. Then we start braiding slowly like that. It's coming through, you see. It's coming through. It's beautiful. Someone you cannot even tell that I'm the one who did my hair. If I did not show you guys, you could have doubted that I did this hair. You see, yes, they are tighter, but the moment we get to this part, we start making them looser, so that they can bring that beautiful shape when I hold the hair, and they can look many. I just used 3 braids and with 3 long braids, and those are not much, so I needed them to look fuller, so I had to make the ends look thicker. See how they look beautiful, and now I'm done. Wow, see that. Oh my goodness.
Move in
You
front.
baby doesn't get out of there. See that girl. Oh my goodness, I did that hair with my own 2 God created hands. Let's style it like the normal styling, just the top knot, or rather the top bun. Yes. You see the way it looks neat. Did you see the behind part? So organized. The box are popping. Oh goodness. What should I even say? You can't believe I did this, lakini venye mmeona, you cannot believe. See the ends, the way they look good, neat, organized, full. You see, so beautiful. And ndo hiyo mimi nafunga na kamba na uzi, so that it can be tight. Yes, guys, I'm so excited to do this, and my hair was really looking bad. I was broke, and I decided to do my hair. So you cannot realize that I'm broke when we meet out there while I'm looking this good. But now I'm not broke. If you see me doing my hair, manze ni kubaya, na sitaki muone ni kubaya. So my bun is there, it's done. I look good, I look beautiful, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and bye bye. See you next time. Make sure you watch my videos. Bye.